Hey folks, I'm trying something new today. I've found that online the Bolner's Fiesta brand spices that you can get at almost every grocery store here in Texas, they have a ton of seasonings and spices that you can't find in any store. I mean, this is just crazy, the amount of seasonings that they have. I mean, HEB carries a lot of these, trust me, and I've been buying a lot of them over the years. But there was a couple of them that really stood out to me, and I really wanted to try them. One being their jerky seasoning. I have been looking for this everywhere, so I just decided to go on their website, and I found it, so I ordered it. I am not using this today. I will probably use this next week. I'm going to try to make jerky, beef jerky with this. So you want to stay tuned for that one. But this week, this one really caught my eye. This is garlic salad dressing mix. And it says it also makes a wonderful dip. So I'll be using it as a dip instead of a salad dressing. But I think this is going to be interesting because they actually had a recipe on the back for their garlic salad dressing. So I will be making this today. I'll be making the salad dressing and use it as a dip. So let's see how to make this. It's really simple, and let's give it a taste. Okay, here's the star of our show. Bolner's Fiesta brand garlic salad dressing. Ingredients: garlic, salt, onion, sugar, spices. They're very vague on spices. Monosodium glutamate and parsley. Here I have a 1.25 cups of mayonnaise, and then 2 tablespoons of the garlic salad dressing mix, a tablespoon of red wine vinegar, and 1/3 cup of water. That's it. And then we're just going to give this a good whisk. Get everything combined. Okay. Everything looks good. Kind of looks like a ranch dressing, right? Nice and smooth there. Let's give it a taste. Okay. That tastes really good. That's really good. Okay, I'm just going to refrigerate this and then give it a try. Pretty straightforward, right? Looks easy. This is what I decided to come up with how to serve it. It is a salad dressing, so I'm like, let's do it with some veggies. So here we go. Give it a taste with some broccoli. It looks really good. It's been chilling for a while, so it should be really good now. Try it with a carrot. Okay, that is really good. Wow. Bolner's Fiesta brand garlic salad dressing. I'm glad I actually saw this on their website because I've never heard of it, and never have I heard of their garlic salad dressing, but it's a simple recipe, and it's really tasty. Dang. This is really good. Well, there you have it, folks. Thanks for watching.